Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a mini burger platter. All you're going to need to make this is some gloves, cheese, an egg, spices. I'm going to be using coriander, paprika, onion powder, salt, and pepper. I have some burger buns and some ground beef, a mold, gigantic fork, and a bowl. You can use any spices you want, but those are the spices I'm going to be using. So let's get started. Let's add up all of our ingredients together. And now we're done. Now we're going to mix it with our hands, and don't forget to put your gloves on. Now it's my favorite part. We're going to shape our meat into small balls like so. Roll it in your hands and place it on a plate. And now we're done making the ball. I turned on the grill to heat up while we mold our meat. I'm going to take one of the balls, make a hole inside, like so. Then, for a nice little surprise, I'm going to add 2 pieces of cheese right in the middle. And then put that back up. Roll it up in a ball. Next, I'm going to put it into our mold, and I'm going to push it down, like so. And it should be a nice kind of meat patty shape. I'm going to place it on the side and make the other ones off camera, and I'll be back. We're done molding our meat. Now it's time to place it on the grill. You can ask help from a grown-up to place it for you. You can leave the meat on the grill for however long you want. I love to eat my mini burgers with grilled tomatoes and onions. I also enjoy having a nice toasted bun. So let's put them in. Let's close it up and wait for it to cook. I'm done grilling, so now it's time to plate. I'm going to add some ketchup. I also have some cut up cheese to put on my sandwiches. You can also decorate them. And now we are done. I put the burger buns beside the burgers so the people can put whatever toppings they wish on their burgers. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share for more nice videos like this one. Bye! see you next time.